In this guide, I'm going to show you 3 reliable ways that you can use to get wires here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, overall, this is super easy to do, but there is a few methods. The first and most reliable, as well as the fastest and easiest way, is actually going to be up in the traders option right here, specifically with Celeste. Near the bottom of her shop down here, you can actually trade 4 seeds for 1 wire, and you can do this up to 10 times per day. Once again, this is the easiest and fastest way if you have the seeds to spare. That being said, if you don't, go ahead and open up your inventory, and what you can do is recycle. Items like cooling fans, break down into a bunch of wires, sometimes 12 at a time, plus other useful parts. So make sure to recycle anything that you're not planning on using. And this is just a general tip overall. Just right click, hit recycle if there's something that you're not planning on using. Now, the third method is actually by looting electrical locations on the map. For example, if you open up a section like this and then you go to something like Stellamontis, for example, right? If you open it up, you're going to see all these like little areas that are marked with these electrical symbols, and these are going to be on every single map. So if I back out, for example, and go to Spaceport, for example, next, you're going to see there's more areas with these little electrical symbols on here. I take it back. Don't go to Spaceport, go to Damn Battlegrounds, right? And boom, as you can see, Power Generation Complex has these little electrical symbols. Go to these areas like Power Station, Power Generation Complex. These areas have a higher chance of spawning wires in lockers, containers, or nearby loot spots. You can also find them commonly in cars and random loot throughout the world. And since wires are pretty common, it's not that hard to get them, but these 3 methods are going to help you stock up much faster. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.